In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Shopify, how does it works. Step-by-step guide. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the home dashboard, use the built-in search to look up what is Shopify and open the article. Then open how does it work as well. These two quick reads give you the big picture. In short, Shopify is an all-in-one commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage a business. It gives you everything you need to sell products online, and even in person, without needing to be a developer. Now, let's walk through how it works from start to finish. First, create your store. You'll set your store name and basic preferences in the onboarding flow. Don't worry about getting everything perfect right now. You can change most settings later. Next, add your products. In products, create items with clear titles, helpful descriptions, prices, and inventory. Upload crisp photos and, if you have options like size or color, add variants. Good product data makes setup smoother and improves conversion. Customize your storefront using a theme. Pick a free or paid theme, then use the visual editor to arrange sections. Upload your logo, update colors and fonts, and adjust navigation. Preview on mobile to make sure everything looks great on smaller screens. Set up payments so you can actually get paid. You can enable the built-in provider or connect a third-party gateway like PayPal or Stripe. Complete any verification prompts and make sure your payout details and currency are correct. While you're there, review tax settings so checkout calculates correctly. Configure shipping. Define your shipping zones and rates, choose carriers, and, if applicable, enable local pickup or delivery. Accurate weights and package sizes help generate correct labels and rates. Connect a custom domain to make your store easy to find. You can buy a new domain inside the platform or connect one you already own. Once connected, set it as the primary domain so customers always see the branded URL. When everything is ready, launch your store. That means removing the storefront password so the public can browse and buy. Before you do, place a test order to confirm checkout, shipping, and emails work as expected. After launch, manage and grow with analytics, marketing tools, discounts, and apps from the App Store. Lean on the platform for the heavy lifting. Hosting is included, SSL security and PCI compliance are built in, updates happen automatically, and support is available 24/7. Back on your home dashboard, watch the Your Store's Progress checklist. Key tasks like setting up a payment provider and unlocking your store appear there, keeping you on track from setup to go live.